How will Zillow's recent purchase of ShowingTime impact the real estate business starting in 2021 and moving forward? You see, Zillow and others have recently, and Redfin, have tapped into the mortgage business, and now these big tech companies are starting to take over the real estate world. So, Jamie, we know that Zillow is taking over the real estate industry, but a lot of people do not know what Zillow actually owns. So, if you can, share with people what Zillow currently owns.
So, and I will tell you, every one of these has to do with big tech or real estate.
Okay.
Byfolio. Have no clue what it is, but it is all about buying portfolios. I can tell you that. Diverse Solutions. Dotloop. Dotloop is an actual program that will coordinate and keep and sign electronic signatures for contracts. HotPads. It is an app that you have on your phone that you can look at properties. More tech. I have a feeling that that is about mortgages.
Mortgage
and
tech, yep.
The technical side of it, yes.
Mm-hmm. That's the application
Mortgage
side of
Lenders
what
of
the mortgage
America.
lenders, and now they have the mortgage lending side.
That's right. And so literally you could click a button now. You could get pre-qualified. You can, pick out a home and you can buy that home. And I'm sure pretty soon they'll have their own closing company. They'll have their own title company. They're going to get into all of it so that it is a one-stop shop, just like Amazon. Naked Apartments, Postlets. Postlets are actually a marketing program that agents use to market our properties. Go figure. Rent Juice, Restly. I've never heard of that, and I don't know what it is. Street Easy is about real estate. Trulia, and now ShowingTime. So over the years, they have accumulated all of these different companies. And Trulia and ShowingTime and probably Dotloop is the biggest. I'm sure they're working on more behind the scenes. They're saying that it is for the ease of the customer. That is their whole thing, is they want the customers to have the ease of being able to buy and sell with a one-stop shop, which is awesome. Like, I think that that's, a great thing, except for you're not covered. You're not being protected. And so there's nobody watching out for you when you're buying something online.